Welcome to Redneck Outfitters 1, where the labor is cheap and the advice is free. Thanks for joining us. I did a little soundproofing this morning on the bug project, getting ready for carpet. I did get the front carpet set in today, and I was going to be waiting on the rear carpet. It's supposed to be here Monday, but I did get the soundproofing in. It looks okay. Of course, it's all going to be covered up by carpet anyway. So, and the carpet, I didn't videotape any of this because, one, I didn't know what I'm doing. So I wanted to concentrate on actually getting the carpet to look decent. It's not professional, as you can probably tell by looking real close. I'm going to clean up the shifter, clean up the emergency cable or brake cables and the heater cables, so that'll all look nicer at a later time. These little gaps in the carpet are going to be covered by the seats and the floor mats. I'm not sure what that little cutout is on the passenger side. Something they did at the factory, I guess. I'm not sure why. But that'll be covered up by the floor mat. So thanks for joining us, and hope you're enjoying the videos. Until next time, in the next project.